Hi Mardin, my name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Realtor.com, Trulia, things like that. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you and you're going to own them. So you're not going to be paying referral fees and this and that and this and that. So as long as you do it right, a website can bring you leads. So we're going to talk about that today. I have your Facebook page pulled up here. I didn't see a website anywhere, so we're not going to use your website for the purposes of this video. I found another realtor in your area named Tracy Nelson with Keller Williams. We're going to use her website because she has one. First of all, obviously, I would highly recommend that you get a website. And this website's not the best. This one's not optimized. This is just a website for the video that we're using right now so I can show you. A couple things. When you do get a website, I highly suggest there's three things you're going to want to deal with: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. So search engines love content. Google, Chrome, all these search engines love content. So the more content you have, the better. Minimum words you want to have is 1,500 on any page. And then also take into consideration that how you save your photos is read by Google on the back end. So how you save your photos is actually picked up. And so you make sure, obviously, you want to save those as good content. So a lot of times when we upload photos to a website or anywhere, the computer will create a name for the photo that's not has anything to do with the actual photo. It'll just be random numbers and letters or whatever, and you don't want that. You're going to want to delete that, and you're going to want to save that as authoritative content. So 1,500 words minimum, and then make sure that you save your photos properly. So obviously this is a terrible website, and there's not 1,500 words, but you're going to have that when you do your website. So, or you should anyways. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. These are all directories that are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Bay Area Realtors, and Tracy Nelson pulled up. So, but we got San Francisco Bay Area, Bay East, and Tracy Nelson. And the point is, you weren't here. You didn't show up. And so if you're not there, you at least want to be on this first page. And I don't know what brokerage you're with. Looks like eXp Realty. So let's see if eXp Realty is anywhere on here. And it doesn't look like it is. So eXp Realty is not here. You want your website to be on the first page. And then, so as you can see too, I want to point out that Tracy Nelson has a Google My Business page. So she's a realtor, not a brokerage, but yet she has her own Google My Business page. So if you're running, well, I'm a realtor, I don't have a brokerage, or maybe you do have a brokerage. I'm not quite sure. There's not too much information I have on you, but either way, you can get a Google My Business page. So there's a couple things with your Google My Business page that you're going to want to take into consideration. First of all, reviews. So you're going to want 25 reviews. Tracy has 18, so obviously you're going to want to have more than Tracy, but we recommend 25 minimum. Also, if you're worried about the address, you don't actually have to. So let's say you work out of your house or you don't want to have your address known. You can actually block out your address so nobody will know. So you can still get a Google My Business page if that's what you're concerned about, or you can just use your office address. And then the photos. So we recommend 10 photos minimum, and it looks like Tracy has those, but when you get them, you're going to want 10 minimum. So a lot of times people don't put any, or they put one or two. You're going to want to pick some good photos, 10 minimum, and then again, just save it properly. Save those photos with good content. And then the very last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your URL can be found. So anywhere that, like, MardinAmiri.com, anywhere that can be found, your domain, whatever you choose that to be, is going to give you a backlink. So the thing to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal. And so you want to make sure that your backlinks are coming from sites that are relevant and not spammy. Actually, Tracy Nelson we don't have any data on her backlinks because, as you can see, that website that we looked at was just created. She didn't even pay for that. It was just created by the Google My Business page. So that one is not her domain in particular, so there's not much information here, but just do your homework and get yourself some powerful backlinks, and that's going to help dramatically. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement some of these tips and tricks, get yourself a website, and make some more money with some leads that are exclusive to you. So if you have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to get in touch with us, and thank you very much for watching.